is up, Anaya Nation? Sorry, I am sweating. It's the 4th of July at which I'm recording this, so happy 4th of July to everyone. I just got done cutting the grass, but today I'm doing the first oil change on the Jeep 392, as well as emptying the catch can. So today's video is going to be a mixture of both, emptying the catch can, see how much Blowby was caught, and then also doing the oil change as well. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. It means a lot to a small channel like myself. So hit that subscribe and smash that thumbs up. Y'all can do it. So here we go. We have the catch can in the back. I'm gonna go ahead and screw it and we'll empty that out and see how much Blowby was caught. So here we go. You can see it's about, I'd say a little over a third, maybe like, I don't know, 35 to 40% full. I'm gonna dump it in this container. So this is from the Toyota 4Runner. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a card up above, the top right, wherever it shows up. Let's go ahead and dump this and see how much. And so the miles right now is 1,800 miles, almost 1,850, so pushing 2K miles on the Jeep. So just say 1,800 miles, and that's how much was caught within that duration. So if you're going 3,000 to 5,000 miles, this thing's probably be 3/4 full easily at 5K miles. So there you have it. That is one dump between the Toyota and the Jeep.